Here in this video, I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection page. This video is specific for Unseen theme. If you have any other theme, then you should explore the playlist of the videos. I have already published a lot of videos with different themes. Now the first step is you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. So once you are downloading it, you will be getting some files which are like this. So open document.txt. Inside of it, I have already given all the steps which we are going to follow in this video. So now you should go to the front end. You can see that this is the current situation. I have 3 products. Each product has different color variants, but only 3 variants are displaying on my collection page. Let's go to the dashboard of the store. Here you can see I have installed Unseen theme. Click on these 3 dots, click on edit code. We have some folders and files. So here in the documentation, the first step is create a new snippet. Name of that snippet is color-variant. So copy the name from here, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, paste the name here and then click on done. The second step is create another new snippet, color-pr-grid-item1. So copy the name from here, click on add a new snippet, paste it here and then click on done. Now we have to paste the attached code. So open color-variant.txt, copy the complete code and then after you should paste it inside of color-variant.liquid. Then click on save and then close the file. Go back and here we have color-pr-grid-item1. So copy the complete code from here also and paste it inside of this empty file and click on save and then close this file again. So here we have the third step. Go to sections, open main-collection.liquid. So you should search this file here and you can see we have main-collection.liquid. You should find this pr-grid-item1 using Ctrl F or maybe Command F. You should search it and it will be highlighted here. Now you need to replace this with color-variant. So here we have, you should replace this with color-variant and then click on save. Once it is done, then you can go to the collection page and refresh it. Here we go. Here you can see that we have all the color variants displaying on this collection page. So we had 3 products only and each product has different color variants. So all are displaying on my collection page. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.